Easy Rider Greg. Gonna get some riding done today. Maybe. There we go. Gonna go get me some barbecue today. So thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a ride with shout outs and barbecue. If you like it, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. And if you haven't already subscribed, if you got multiple accounts, please subscribe to all your accounts. I need all the subscribers I can get. And if you could, if you're not able to finish watching the whole video, take that slider at the bottom and slide it all the way over to the right before you leave. That'll help me out with YouTube, as well as clicking the thumbs up button and subscribing and all that sort of stuff. Thanks a lot. Going up to Chino Valley today to Big Daddy E's Barbecue. As soon as I get around this turn, if traffic's clear, I'll start with the shout outs. I got them taped up on my windshield bag, but very hard to read. Okay, the first one is Rolling Stone. He's in East Tennessee. He just recently did a video about cutting firewood. Warms you up 3 times. Once when you cut it down, once when you split it, and once when you burn it. Now boy, that couldn't be more true, especially the cutting it down and burning it, or splitting it. That really warms you up. My wife used to get annoyed at me when we had our wood stove. I'd go out and start splitting up a bunch of wood to bring in. And then when I'd get it in, she'd say, "We'll light the fire." And then, "No, I'm not lighting it yet. I'm too hot. I'm all sweaty." And wait a while. She wanted it lit right away. Anyway, Rolling Stone, check out his channel. And all of these shout outs, I'm going to put a link to their channel down in the description below. To make it easier for you to find them, because I know looking them up by name is a pain in the butt. Even when you type it exactly the way that it's spelled, with the right spaces, right capitals, right lowercase, sometimes the YouTube search just acts like they don't know what you're talking about. So I'll put links down there to click on. Yeah, it's supposed to be in the mid-50s today. It hadn't even gotten to 50 when I left. It's only been about 10 or 15 minutes since I left. I doubt it's gotten up there yet. But I needed to get out and get a ride done, so I decided I was riding. I wasn't going to wait. Sometimes if you wait till it gets up to what they say it's going to get up to, it's 3 o'clock, and then at 3:30 it's already getting cold again. So no, not waiting. It's going for the ride. On Williamson Valley Road, going to go up through Williamson Valley through Chino Valley. Big Daddy E's Barbecue. If you live in the area, you haven't already, check them out. They're on Butterfield Road. I'll put a link to them down in the description too. They got a website. They got the best brisket I've ever had, and I've eaten a lot of brisket in Texas too, and this beats anything I ever had in Texas by far. Hope I don't irritate any of you Texans out there. His brisket is just curve. Okay, and the next one is Larry Martin 68 HD. He's a really new channel, really new. I think he only started a couple of weeks ago. And as the last part of the channel name implies, 68 HD, he has a 68 shovel head Harley-Davidson. I'm not sure what model it is. I'm sure he has said in his videos, but I just don't remember. Check him out. That 68 shovel sure sounds good. And he could use your help with subscribers and watch hours and all that. Showing him some support to get him started off right. And in Williamson Valley, the horse country area. I mean, there are other horse country areas around here too, but this is the one that's closest to me. I almost bought a house out here in 1990, but I just decided that I could get more for my money in Prescott Valley. And the house was an A-frame. I really do not like A-frames. They're such a waste with that A-frame going up there at the walls angling in. I need a regular house with 90-degree walls. And all the other ones are way out of my price range. Way out of my price range. That was the only one that was close to my price range, and it was still a bit high. Right up here a little ways is where I flew the drone the other day. See, there's Granite Mountain right over there. I'm just on the other side of Granite Mountain up there. The Williamson Valley trailhead. I think it's actually called the Mint Wash Trail, but I might be wrong. But if you're walking far enough, you end up at Mint Wash. Takes you through 3 different landscapes. Chaparral, scrub growth trees of pinyon pine and juniper and some other trees like those bush looking trees over there. And then it takes you into the pines. Through the pine forest. And up next is, stop bouncing around so I don't, oh yeah, Toby Northern. Now I've shouted him out once before, but I thought it was worth shouting him out again. He's in Kentucky. He's doing a lot of work promoting BAM 21, I think it's called. It's what Mr. G and the Blue Blanket Doyle have been talking about in Tazewell, Virginia next June 11th, 12th, and 13th, although Mr. G now said that it's going to start on the 10th. So, anyway, he's been working on that. So he could use some support. Go to his channel and subscribe to him and watch his videos. He doesn't have a lot of videos. Maybe if more people go, he'll make more videos. But he's a good guy. He's always shouting people out too. There's that A-frame that I almost bought right over there to the left. And then I want to shout out something you probably all know, but if you don't, He's really worth supporting, and if you haven't watched him for a while, because I know you can't watch everybody's videos all the time. It just takes a lot of time to do that. The Blue Bike and Doyle in Georgia, I mean, he is always shouting people out. Always trying to help out up-and-coming channels. But he deserves a lot more subscribers and more hours than what he's got. So show him support. If you haven't already subscribed to him, subscribe to him. If you have subscribed to him, play his playlist, watch his older videos, rewatch them, or just put them on and play them. So he can get watch hour time. But thanks everybody for watching. When we get up to Big Daddy E's, I'll show you Big Daddy E's, and then I'll show you what I got. What I got to eat. So anybody around here won't be able to taste it, but you can see how good it looks. And take my word for it. It's delicious. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Don't miss the next exciting adventure.
I interrupt this video to bring you a view of animal hazards on the road.
On this one, but there's some antelope over there. Oh, there's some right there. I better watch the road. They're all over the place. I don't want to hit one. Okay, this is Big Daddy E's out here. Smoking barbecue. Just getting ready to go inside. Go in there, take a peek, show you guys what I'm talking about. Today's specials: Philly cheeseburger. Don't think I'll have that. And there's the menu. Looking around. It's a pretty nice place. So,
what do you got for sauce? You got sauce on the side?
I'll order my stuff and show it to you when I get it. Okay, I'll just give you a little better look around the dining room here. Got some interesting artwork on the walls.
That's just for tomorrow.
Soda fountain and condiments. This must be the social distancing table. There's no chairs at it. Okay, I'll show you my food when it gets here. Okay, here it is. Half brisket, half tri-tip. And that's their macaroni and cheese and their French fries. And this is the barbecue sauce that I love. Honey habanero. Put some of that on there right now. This is just so good. They also got ghost pepper, which it's pretty good. It's not real hot. Well, there you have it. I ate it all. I also ate some of this ghost pepper barbecue sauce, and I was wrong when I said before that it wasn't hot. My mouth is burning like crazy.